welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in and watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Today I will be filming for you an eyebrow tutorial, including an eye makeup tutorial. It is super quick, super easy. I am only going to be using 2 products on my eyebrows and 1 product on my eye to create the overall look. So I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows first, and I'll show you how I do this. So first I get my Anastasia brush and literally just comb through my eyebrows and just make sure all the hairs are sort of going in the same direction. Once I've done this, the product that I'll be using is the dark brown shade in the Brow Wiz. Honestly, this is the quickest way to do your eyebrows, and I literally just create strokes of hair, and this is person specific, so you don't have to obviously go in as much as I do. You can go in less or you can go in more. I tend to just start at the bottom and then take the strokes upwards, and then I use that same pattern all the way. Down, and then any gaps that I see at the top, I'll also just comb that through too. Just like that. So you've got your hair going in the correct direction. Then I'll go in with my brush and just comb through, making it all nice and even. All I'm going to do, and then that's the only product I'll use also, and then after I've done my completed my eye makeup, I'll go in with the last product and I'll show you what it is. So now I'm going to start off doing my eyes with using a concealer to prime my base, and I'm literally just adding like a couple of strokes of this. Go in with a flat brush and blend this in. And this also helps, so this is like a 2-in-1. So then this also helps with defining or tidying up, should I say, your eyebrows. And you don't have to do this, but this helps with keeping your makeup on. Especially if you've got like oily eyes, it will help. So I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. And then just to set that, I'm just going to go in with my translucent powder and also just pat that into the eyes. And that literally just sets your eye. So that's tip number 1. So this is a little cheeky technique. So if you had to go away somewhere and you only had 2 products with you for your eyes, you can use your bronzer as a contour for your eyes. So I'm literally just going in with my bronzer and just contouring and defining this area. The most amount of product is always in the center. This allows you to like buff in both sides, and it's like an even distribution. And then I like to take it up into my brow bone and then back. And that's just created like a nice contour for my eyes. On my eyes. I'm so excited, I've not done a bright colour in a long time. So I'm literally just applying this onto the middle. Evenly, my blending brush. And brush that out. And I'm literally just using my brush super softly and then pulling the product back. I don't normally do such bright eyes, so this is super strange for me. But I feel like sometimes it looks nice. Okay. And then I'm just gonna blend this in. And guys, just circular motions and all the way across your lid. Wow. I'm happy with this. De Niro side, and just add the slightest amount of shimmer to the inner corners of my eye. I'm just using a small brush. I'm literally just applying this, patting this in really. I'm not even spreading it into my tear duct, and then slightly bringing it in. I don't want to bring it in too much because I like that metal feel, the matte feel, sorry, to the eyes. Amazing. And then I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. The way I like to do my eyeliner, I literally just take an angle from the side in, so like that. I'll go and neaten it up afterwards, so do an angle like that, so you know how wide you want it, and then from the top, join this together. And what that does, it elongates your eyes. So because I've got quite socket eyes, this helps elongate it for me. Just fill in those gaps. And now we just need to finish our point off. Brush and make sure it's a flat brush, and this just gives you that precision if you feel like you've not got it. So I've gone in and completed both of the eyes, and I'm just going to go in and put my lashes on. So I'm just going to go and quickly pump my natural eyelashes with my curlers. This really helps, guys, with just making both your natural and your lashes look like one. I'm just going to use my lash applicator to do this. So I'm going to just put my lashes on. And I always start with the middle and then go to the edge and then put that on. And then go to the inner corners. Push both your natural lashes and the falsies on together, and your lash is now in place. So the colour that I'm using is the Hoola, and I'm literally just taking it all the way up to my eyes and then back down again. I'm going to go in with my blending brush and just make sure that that's nicely blended underneath my eyes. Wow, I look at myself and I honestly, I can't recognise myself. This looks mad. This is definitely not one of my comfort looks. Using the same angled brush, I'm applying the smallest amount of that blue underneath my eye. The final product that's left for the eyes is the brow gel. So I'm just going to go in and apply this upwards and pull my hair upwards. And this really helps with defining your eyebrow. It just makes it look a bit more fuller. comfort zone. It is not something that I would normally do ever. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed watching me glam myself like this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and the base tutorial will be next. So you'll see how I created the base to go for this whole look. Thank you so much for watching, guys.